My husband stopped snoring when a friend of mine gave me this miraculous remedy. Snoring is a common problem for so many people. But the problem with snoring is not only that it affects sleep quality and the health of the snorers but also people who sleep around. Health experts stated that snoring happens due to the excessive mucus. So if you want to eliminate snoring issue, you need to pay attention to how to eliminate the excess mucus. Snoring could be a big issue and some people might even go to the doctor and looking for some over-the-counter medicine to deal with this problem. But the truth is, you don't have to. Because there's an amazing recipe that works like charm in eliminating the problem of snoring. The method is very simple and of course natural. You just need to prepare the drink and consume it every night before you go to bed. This homemade juice helps with snoring by eliminating the excessive mucus. The best way to prepare this recipe is by using organic fruits and vegetables. This way you can ensure that there's no chemical substance included in your drink. Ingredients: 2 apples, 2 carrots, 1 piece of ginger, 1/4 lemon, 1/2 cup of water. How to make. Preparing this juice is really simple. Mix all the above ingredient using a high-speed food processor until it all well blended. Consume the juice about a couple of hours before you go to bed. Other than drinking this anti-snoring juice, there are particular types of food that you need to avoid because they can make the snoring problem worse. Here are the foods and beverages you need to avoid. Too much alcohol. Processed foods and drink. Too much chocolate. Fried foods. Foods that can't be digested easily. When you do the remedy for snoring, focus on these 2 things. Consume the juice every night and avoid the above must-avoid foods and beverages. You'll see some improvement in your snoring problem in several days and the quality of your sleep will significantly improve. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.